Homage paying ceremony to Kajurong Hanpi was organized at Kohora on 5th of December. Villagers of Dhansing Inglang village voluntarily repaired the road connecting to their village on 5th of December. Contrabands worth of rupees 4 crore seized at Bokajan on 4th of December. Important notice: as per the direction of Block Development Officer of Lumbajong Development Block, beneficiaries of MGNREGA job cards are directed to link their Aadhaar seeding into MGNREGA database by 7th of December, failing which would be barred from further MGNREGA schemes. The said notice also implies with the members of National Social Assistance Program. Beneficiaries can avail Aadhaar card seeding with MGNREGA job cards at the office of Lumbajong Development Block, Manja. Good morning viewers, you are watching Kajurong Live English Prime Time. Every year on 5th of December, homage paying ceremony is organized to pay respect and honor to Kajurong Hanpi at Kajurong Hanpi Memorial Park, Kohora, from which the name Kajurong National Park came into existence. Homage paying ceremony was organized by the Department of Art and Culture, KAL Autonomous Council. The ceremony was chaired by Surjo Rongphar EM of KAL Autonomous Council in presence of Dr. Tuliram Ronghang CEM KAL Autonomous Council, Darsing Ronghang MLA, Horen Singh Be MP, Richard Tokbi EM, Lun Singh Teron EM, EMs, MAC and various dignitaries of the region. Prize distribution ceremony to the children was also conducting amidst the homage paying ceremony, followed by deliberations to the attachment with flora and fauna, life and works of Kajurong Hanpi from the guests and participants. Dr. Tuliram Ronghang CEM KAL Autonomous Council, while addressing his speech, informed that the work order for the construction of Kajurong Hanpi guest house was issued years ago, but the construction work had to be suspended due to the nationwide lockdown due to COVID-19 outbreak in the between. Directed Richard Tokbi EM and Surjo Rongphar EM to terminate the assignment with the former contractor and hand over the contract to someone else. It is expected to be completed by the following years of homage paying ceremony.
Lasino local misilo EM lo Richard Tok biakai ban pulo. La benda EM promotion taro ban pulo la so contractor ban cancel si. Nona no kapre ban pipen muni ka talon dia pran la get homo sayang den tang et nangji tu sinili EM bahini tu ban li pulo. Muni ke ban kita Kajurong Hanpi laso katalom laso kapet he ban KAL Autonomous Constituency siting ponpo husi dan provide kar sabar bachingo.
Bikram Teron's report for Kajurong Live. The chain and boats of development within the district is at the tip of the tongue of Dr. Tuliram Ronghang, late KAL Autonomous Council government. But when picked onto the grassroots levels, the development KAL Autonomous Council boasts about the development people's witness is alternatively opposite to each other. Likewise, on 5th of December, villagers of Dhansing Inglang village are compelled to voluntarily repair the road connecting to their village. KAL Autonomous Council failed to provide good road to the century-old village, as it is still deprived from good road facilities. As per the report, it was informed that despite Dhansing Inglang village is a country-old village situated at Naharjan falling under Borjan constituency, the villagers had never experienced the feelings of good road. Hence, on 5th of December, villagers came forward and voluntarily repaired the road. Villagers, while speaking to us, said the village was established in the year 1922 and by this time 2022 it has completed a mark of 100 years, but the village is still deprived from government's project like road connectivity. The road is a lifeline to Dhansing Inglang village and to its 4 adjoining villages. But there is no any developmental project and schemes undertaken at the village, although the village had completed 100 years of establishment.
Ningkan parota kisose ansi ningkan paru ra ningkan isibak ta nange pleng to an lo sitame non pu pen ta konsila hin pen thang akirap ta chithek long le non la tuar ta langon nile tum jongjung adona phai chirung si non la tuar barka hut nil tum kidam siksak pek pan.
Children going to school, taking ailing patients to the hospital, and many such troubles and difficulties had to be endured constantly. Hence, appeal Surjo Rongphar EM of Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council, Dr. Tuliram Ronghang CEM of Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council, and the higher authorities to pay heed into this matter and resolve their grievances.
Ko ane nilitum jongjung pensi nilitum hikia dulita cirung cirek pensi non ali cesamalo sibonailo.
Anantarang's report from Bokajan for Karbi Anglong Live. On 4th of December, contraband worth of rupees 4 crores was seized at Bokajan. 2 people were arrested in connection to this case. Acting upon the specific intel output from its sources, Karbi Anglong Police, in a joint action with C20 CRPF Bokajan, set up a search operation point at Lahorijan. The operation was led by G10 Gogoi, ASI in charge of Lahorijan Petrol Post. According to sources, it was informed that a Tata Magic Gold vehicle heading from Dimapur without registration number was intercepted in suspicions of carrying illicit drugs with them at early hours. The vehicle was rigorously searched and recovered 39 soap boxes of drugs comprising of 511.79 grams of suspected heroin from their possession. 2 people were arrested in connection to this case. They were identified as Dulal Uddin, 30 years old, son of Abdul Barik, residents of Balikatia village, Nagaon district, and Sarafat Ali, 22 years old, son of Alal Uddin, residents of Hirapati village, Nagaon. The drugs packets were seized under the physical supervisions of John Das EPS SDPO Bokajan and Lutfur Rahman SIOC of Dilai Police Station. It was informed that the estimated worth of contraband seized is rupees 4 crores if brought to an open market. Anantarang's report from Bokajan for Karbi Anglong Live. And that's all for today. Thank you for watching. Have a good day.